Hello. In this tutorial, I'm going to quickly show you one of the best applications you could ever use to transfer files between two devices. Here I have a MacBook. I'm on a MacBook. I want to transfer some files from my mobile phone to this MacBook. All you need to do is to go on this website, LocalSend.org, and download the application based on what operating system you're using. Here I'm on a Mac, so I downloaded based on my operating system. If you're on Windows or Linux or any other operating system, you can download based on that. After downloading it, you go to the second device and also download it based on the operating system of your device. I'm using an Android mobile phone. I downloaded it using the Android option. After downloading, this is what you get. In my own case, as I downloaded it on my MacBook, this is what I got. On my mobile phone, this is what it looks like. So now, because I'm transferring from my mobile phone to the MacBook, I'm going to open the application on my MacBook, on my mobile phone, sorry. So now, I go to Send on my mobile phone. Now you can see here, both of these devices are connected. As you can see, my MacBook is called Special Broccoli. On the mobile phone, you can see Special Broccoli. So they are talking to each other. I want to transfer a file from this folder called Files. Here you can pick as many files as you wish. For the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to choose only one file. Now, you have to choose where you want to send it to. I want to send to Special Broccoli, which is my MacBook. I'm going to click on Special Broccoli. Now, on my MacBook, it's asking me to either accept or decline. I'm going to accept. Depending on the size of your file, you're going to wait for it to complete the transfer. Now the file has fully transferred. I'm going to click Done, and on my mobile phone, I'm going to click Done. Now you can find the recorded, or rather you can go to their folder. In my own case, it should be probably in a download folder, and I can find my file on the MacBook. So this is the easiest way you could transfer file, and I want to point out that for this to work properly, there are some nuances to this, but it is better to make sure that both devices are on the same network, just to make it simple. So I hope this has been helpful. If so, can I ask you to subscribe to my channel, to like, and to share? Thank you.